Are you running out of storage space on a drive and considering moving some game or application to another location? Or probably you have accidentally installed a game or any kind of application on a wrong drive and now you want to move to the right partition or right disk. Fortunately, relocating the application and game between the drive is super easy now. So here for the demonstration purpose, I will be moving this VMware workstation application from my C drive to an external SSD because it's occupying a lot of space and I have plenty of space in my external SSD. So I can easily move it to this SSD drive here. Alright, now in order to move any application or any game, go to your main drive, main partition, and here you have to look for the program file. So either your game or application should be saved in program file or program file x86. So you need to check for both the location. First, I will go and check in the program file. So I will bring it up and I will look here for the VMware. I don't find over here. So I will go back and look in program file x86. And here it is. Once you get it, open it and it will say VMware player. Similarly, you will find many other application file here like the BlueStack. So if you want to move the BlueStack, you can open it and you will come to the BlueStack location. Alright, so this way you have to look for that application folder here, the game folder here. Once you get it, open it. Then from the top, you need to copy the path. Alright, so this is the path exactly that you have to copy. Right click and choose copy. Now I will be sharing a command in the description. In this command, it's robocopy. Then you have to replace this one without replacing the inverted comma with the path of your application or game you have just copied. So I will right click and paste it. And my application name will be now here. So this is your source folder here. Now in order to get the destination folder, go back to your file explorer and to whichever partition or whichever disk you want to transfer, you want to move, go to that particular drive. Then you can create a new folder here by making a right click, hover up to new, choose folder, and you can rename to programs. Once renamed, your folder will be displayed here. Now I have already created this folder because I moved the Steam application earlier. So it's showing me over here only. Alright, so once you are inside the program folder that you have created in the destination drive or partition, you need to copy this path also. Go back to that command and replace this over here. Alright, make sure that you exactly type, do not make any mistake. Once you have pasted, give a space, type /acc, space /move, space /e. Now you can copy all this command. Click on your Windows search, type CMD, choose run as administrator, click on yes, and paste the command over here. Now you just need to hit the enter key and the moving process of this application to another partition or another disk will be started. And once it will be done, it will give you entire summary. And now this time if I go to my file explorer, so you will find that the VMware player folder has been created over here. And if I open it, all the files will be displayed over here. And now if I go back to my main icon here of the VMware that was installed on my C drive, and this time if I open it, it says the item that has shortcut referred to has been changed or moved. Now I can remove the shortcut and recreate the icon again from the new location where I have moved the application or game. Alright, so very simple. It's very easy to do once you will understand. You just need to use this command. And here you have to copy the source folder. That is the program file where your game or application has already been installed. Then you have to mention here the destination where you have to move it. And then you have to add this command. Run this command in the CMD and quickly your file or game will be moved. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully this video will be helpful for you. If yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.